This tutorial will walk you through setting up the vSphere private cloud in Workspot control, including the installation and configuration of the Workspot Enterprise Connector. Be sure to review the guide and tutorials specific to the Enterprise Connector that complement this tutorial. Start by logging into Workspot Control with your account at the top of the page. Click Setup and then select Add Private Cloud. Provide a name for the private cloud and click Save. Select the newly created private cloud, then click Add Connector. Note that we'll use the integration key later in the Enterprise Connector setup. Moving on to the Workspot Enterprise Connector configuration, log into the Windows server using the domain administrator account. Ensure you add the service account for the Enterprise Connector to the local administrators group on this server. Refer to the Enterprise Connector tutorial and Workspot Community Knowledge Base article for details. Following the Enterprise Connector guide, start by installing the recommended version of Java. Proceed to install the Enterprise Connector software. During the installation, copy the integration key from Workspot Control and paste it into the appropriate field. Fill in the domain, service account username, and password, then click Next. After the installation completes, click Finish. After a short wait, refreshing Workspot Control should show the connector status changing from Not Installed to Connected. Next, click on Configs and then Add Configuration. Create the first configuration for VMware vSphere by providing a name and selecting VMware vSphere. Fill in the vCenter server private IP address and administrative username and password for vCenter. Click Save. Click Add Configuration once more. This time, configure for Active Directory. Provide a name, choose Active Directory, and use the default selections. And finally, click Save.